Welcome to Worldside Classic and Sports Car. Today we're pleased to offer you this 2014 Mercedes C63 AMG Coupe, finished in polar white with black interior. Low mileage car, 39,000 miles. We've previously sold the car. As we look down the car, we'll show you some of the details and also the condition of the car. First thing we'll notice are these 19-inch wheels, which are staggered front to rear, wider at the rear, and they are multi-spoke, finished in black with a diamond cut rim. As we come around the rear, you'll see the car's got the benefit of a black rear spoiler, black diffuser covering the quad AMG tailpipes. Car's got privacy glass and a black eye line around the window frames. We've got a panoramic roof, which is full glass opening roof, folding door mirrors, Xenon headlamps, front park sensors and rear. We've got a gloss black grille and diffuser. There we see the AMG bonnet badge. So again, if you look closely, we've got no scuffs or scratches. Looking down the car, there are no dents. Tyres are all good, having been replaced in 2020. It's done a couple of thousand miles since. Wheels are in nice condition as well. No heavy curbing. The AMG wheels showing off the AMG brake calipers, the big brake calipers there. Black badges. Rear park sensor showing, along with the tailpipes and the black diffuser. And now we'll come around the driver's side. Again, looking up the car, no dents or scratches. Wheels in good condition. These 6.3 V8 cars are becoming quite collectible now. The prices have levelled out and are on the increase. Low mileage cars with high specification are absolutely the ones to go for. All the glass in good order. Again, front driver's side corner, no scrapes, scratches or dents. As we go into the car, we'll see this Designio soft Nappa leather in black. The seats are electrically operated both sides and have got memory function and are heated. All in good condition. We've got a flat bottomed AMG steering wheel there, and we'll see the mileage there of 39,796. Paddle shift on the gear lever, on the steering wheel I should say, and then we've got the controller for the Comand, the AMG touch there. Again, we'll look at the soft leather with the AMG logo there on the seat. The seats are in superb condition, hardly a mark, and no bolster wear. Overmats, aluminium pedals, auto lights and wipers, a spare key there, and there's a memory and electrical controls for the driver's seat, folding mirrors, and also this car benefits from the upgraded Harman Kardon sound system. Look in the rear, the leather extends to the full four-seater. We've got ISOFIX seatbelt fixings in the rear. You just noticed the sunroof a moment or two ago with the black headliner. Centre console's got some USB ports in there. Dashboard full command system, DAB radio, USBs. We've got heated seats there, climate control, and also the controller for the sports suspension. So there we are. If you are interested, please give us a call, 01507 602222. We're just taking a ride in this lovely low mileage C63 AMG. So 6.3 litre V8, 39,000 miles from new. It's in lovely condition inside and out. It's got this black leather, Designio leather seats, they're heated. They've also got memory adjustment, electric adjustment, both for the driver and the passenger. So we've obviously got the Mercedes Command system, DAB radio, Bluetooth, multifunction steering wheel with gears and paddles, cruise control with speed limiter, climate control. We've got the sports settings down here for the transmission and suspension. Nice little touches on there, the AMG logos and everything. This car's got a panoramic sunroof, got the 19-inch staggered wheels, multi-spoke finished in black, diamond rims, folding door mirrors. So we're in normal automatic mode at the moment. So just a nice, comfortable ride, not too much noise. We can go into sports mode, which changes things a little bit. We can go to Sports Plus, which is quite a leery drive. Much more noise with about V8 engine, 450 brake horsepower. We've also got manual transmission mode, so we can use pedal shifts. It's quite a nice burble from the sports exhaust. Quad tailpipes on the car, obviously. Straight ahead, all tyres are good, everything's good on this car, ready to use, very very clean, in the best colour combination with the nicest options. One thing we didn't omit to mention, the car's got Harman Kardon speakers as an option too. So thanks for looking. If you're interested, have a look at the photos on our website, visit the website motorcycleclassics.co.uk or thompsonsmith.co.uk for more